Did you know that Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system? It's nestled right there, closest to the Sun. It's so small, in fact, that it's only about one-third the size of Earth. If Earth were the size of a basketball, Mercury would be no bigger than a baseball. But don't let its size fool you. Mercury may be the smallest, but it's packed full of surprises waiting to be discovered. Now, let's dive into some lesser-known facts about this tiny, fascinating planet. Mercury might be small, but its temperature swings are anything but. This petite planet, closest to our Sun, experiences the most extreme temperature variations in the entire solar system, all thanks to its very thin atmosphere and close proximity to the Sun. Imagine a world where daytime temperatures skyrocket to a sizzling 800 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt lead. But as the Sun sets, Mercury's thin atmosphere can't trap the heat, causing temperatures to plunge dramatically. When night falls, the planet's surface becomes a frigid -290 degrees Fahrenheit, colder than the chilliest winter night in Antarctica. These wild temperature swings are a unique characteristic of Mercury, making it a fascinating object of study for astronomers and space adventurers alike. So if you're dreaming of interplanetary travel, remember, Mercury is a place of extremes. So if you ever plan a trip to Mercury, pack for both scorching heat and freezing cold. Ever wondered what the surface of Mercury looks like? It's an extraordinary sight to behold, much like our very own moon. Mercury's surface is heavily cratered, the result of countless asteroid impacts that have occurred over the eons. Imagine, if you will, a cosmic game of dodgeball with Mercury as the unfortunate target. As asteroids hurtled through space, Mercury bore the brunt of these impacts. Over billions of years, these relentless collisions have scarred Mercury's face, creating a rugged landscape of craters. Each crater tells a story, a tale of a fiery clash between Mercury and a wandering asteroid. Some craters are as small as a dinner plate, others are so large they could swallow a city whole. Each one is a testament to the violent ballet that shapes our solar system. This cratered terrain isn't just a geological marvel, it's a historical record of the solar system. Each indentation, each mark is an astronomical artifact. It's like a historical record of the solar system right under our feet. Did you ever hear of a planet that spins slower than it orbits? Well, meet Mercury, our solar system speedster with a twist. Unlike Earth, which rotates more than 365 times as it makes its yearly journey around the Sun, Mercury takes a more leisurely approach. It completes just 3 rotations on its axis for every 2 orbits it makes around the Sun. Imagine that! A planet that spins on its axis 3 times while it completes 2 laps around the Sun. Now here's where it gets even more mind-boggling. This unique dance between Mercury's rotation and orbit results in a day-night cycle that lasts a whopping 176 Earth days. Yes, you heard it right, folks. Daytime on Mercury is not a few hours, but several Earth months long, and so is the night. That's right, a day on Mercury is twice as long as its year. Now, here's a fun fact. Did you know that Mercury is shrinking? Yes, you heard it right. This tiny planet closest to the Sun is actually getting tinier. This isn't a recent occurrence, mind you. It's been taking place for billions of years, a slow but steady transformation. Now, let's delve into the science behind this phenomenon. Mercury's shrinking size is primarily due to the cooling and contracting of its core. Just like how a fruit shrivels up when it dries, Mercury, too, is wrinkling as it shrinks. Its surface is riddled with cliffs and ridges, a clear testament to this long-term shrinkage. This process, known as global contraction, is not exclusive to Mercury. However, it's on this planet that we see the most dramatic evidence. Fascinating, isn't it? How even in the vast, expansive cosmos, changes are happening, even if at a snail's pace. So, Mercury may be the smallest planet, but it's getting even smaller. So, there you have it, 5 amazing facts about Mercury. We've journeyed through its extreme temperatures, hotter than the hottest oven and colder than the coldest freezer. We've marveled at its cratered surface, a testament to its long history in our solar system. We've uncovered its unusual orbit, faster than any other planet. And we've learned about its shrinking size, a phenomenon unique to Mercury. Remember, space is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. So keep exploring, young adventurers.